Welcome everybody, Nikz here, and today I'm sharing with you my wash day routine from beginning to end. So let's get right into it. So I start off with freshly washed hair. I would have washed and shampooed my hair off camera, and this is what my hair looks like after that process. As you can see, the middle of my hair definitely lacks moisture. I am separating my hair in 4 sections, and that's how I generally do everything. Separating my hair in 4 sections and adding my deep conditioner. This is the first time I'm using the products you see in this video. I'll definitely let you guys know how I feel about them after a few uses. So my t-shirt that I would have wrapped my hair in would have taken out majority of the moisture, so I'm just adding back that water to ensure that the products apply evenly. I generally, if your hair has been relaxed before, that's how I try to deep condition my hair. Sometimes I'm a little more diligent than others. I will part, as you will see in the clip coming up, I will part my hair in smaller sections and apply my deep conditioner, especially to my roots, which is normally the coarsest part of my hair, especially in the middle, as well as my ends, which are the oldest parts of my hair and that I do not want to break. So I ensure that those sections are thoroughly conditioned when applying my deep conditioner. And I repeat this technique on both sides of my hair. I would have only shown one on camera, but this is done to both sides to ensure that the deep conditioner is applied evenly and that it absorbs. Once it is that I have applied the deep conditioner, I go in with my oil. I just have coconut oil with a few drops of peppermint essential oil, I think, and I apply that to my ends again, as well as to the center of my head, which is the driest portion of my hair. The next step is to put on a steam cap, and I will be blow drying my hair. Just reading Talking to Strangers here. And once it is that I have completed the blow drying process, and I would have sat under my hooded dryer for about 20 minutes, I rinse out my product and I'm going ahead to section my hair in 4 once again, which, as I tell you, I do every step of my hair routine. I section my hair in 4. I'll be applying my moisturizer, again applying water because that water is needed for the product to glide basically into your hair. This particular product I'm using, again, as I said, this is the first time. I will definitely give you guys some feedback on it, but for now all I'll say is that it provides major slip. adding that to my hair once it is that my hair is saturated with water, because the first and most important ingredient in any healthy natural hair routine is water. And again, guys, I am sealing my ends. Your ends are the oldest part of your hair and they need that extra bit of TLC. So I am going in, once I've applied my moisturizer and oiled my ends, I'm using my Denman brush and I'm just brushing that product through my hair. And you can see there that my ends are nicely moisturized. I am going to be 3-strand twisting, and that's my preferred style. Well, to set my hair rather. 3-strand twist. I will definitely do a tutorial if anyone is interested in seeing close up how it is that I do this 3-strand twist. It's it's like you section your hair as if you're plaiting, but you end up twisting. I know it's a little bit confusing, but that's what I'm doing to my entire head. This is the next day. I would have tied my hair down. So I'm going ahead to unravel my twist. I would have put a little of that oil, which I told you is just a coconut oil, few drops of peppermint concoction that I would have made. Put a few drops of that oil on my hand. I'm ensuring that I untwist my hair, and then I go to ensure that the ends are properly separated, because you don't want your hair to tangle. For me, frizz is not something that I can eliminate. My hair is just naturally frizzy and I'm good with that. But to lessen frizz, it's important to just put a little oil on your hands, rub your hands together, and ensure that you can go a little slower than me. Take your time if it is that you want to lessen frizz as much as possible. And I'm just doing this all around my hair. Once it is that all my twists are out, I'm going ahead to style my hair. I'm just putting a part in the front of my hair, front of my head. I'm using my Eco Styler gel to just lay my edges down a bit. To lay down the front of my hair. Yes, and this is all I'm doing, just laying down the front of my hairline and fluffing my hair to frame my face. And this is how I typically wear my hair. If it is not super hot or humid outside. I do live in Jamaica, guys, and sometimes I have a wash day and my hair comes out good, but based on the weather it's just not happening. So I'm just going through my hair to style my hair, ensure that it frames my face. Guys, at this point I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Thank you so much and walk good.